Are you going through a divorce and unsure about how to handle the sale of your home? It can be a daunting process, but don't worry, we got you covered. Today we're discussing 7 essential steps divorcees should take before listing their home for sale in Lakeview, Chicago, the Chicago area, or the suburbs. Let's ensure that you get the best possible income during this challenging time. Hello, my name is Hugo. I am with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I also serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. I specialize in helping homeowners navigate the complexities of selling their properties, especially during the transitions like divorce. My goal is to provide you with the guidance and support you need to make an informed decision and achieve a successful sale. Here are the 7 essential steps that you should take before listing your home for sale. Number 1, get professional appraisal. Understanding the true value of your home is crucial, especially in court. A professional appraisal is going to give you a clear picture of what your home's worth in the current market. Number 2, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers need to envision themselves living in your home. Remove all personal items and declutter to create a neutral, welcoming space. Number 3, make necessary repairs. Fixing minor issues can significantly increase your home appeal. Pay attention to the detail like leak faucet, cracked tiles, and peeling paint. Enhance curb appeal. First impression matters. Ensure that your home's exterior is inviting by maintaining the lawn and trimming bushes and adding some fresh flowers. Stage your home. Staging highlights your home's best features and it can make it more attractive to potential buyers. And we can use your existing furniture. Consider hiring a professional stager if possible. Gather all the important documents. Having all the necessary paperwork such as the mortgage statements, property tax records, and warranties ready for the potential buyers can streamline the process. And the next one would be call a real estate expert like myself. Finally, reach out to a trusted real estate professional. As a local expert, I can provide you a comprehensive market analysis, strategic marketing plan, and personalized guidance to ensure a smooth transition sale. So selling your home during a divorce can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Give me a call at 773-550-4846. I'll guide you through every step of the process and hold your hand to ensure that we do a successful sale and help you invest in your next property. If you find this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Like, comment, and share with your friends and family, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for watching.